Hi, this is Shirish Kulkarni. I'm founder and CEO of Sroth Consultech, having driving this company for last 5 years. So basically, focusing on small and medium businesses for their growth and how they can take it to the next level. With this initiative called as Hutk, we are talking to various individuals, personalities, people who have done in a different way for different types of functions and roles in organizations. And today we have a privilege to have Mr. Mohan Uzgaonkar with us. So great, Mohanji. Thanks for coming on this platform.
Yeah, my pleasure, Shirish. Yeah,
So great to have you. And I think I must mention that you are a PhD from HR management and having spent last 20, more than 35 years in this space on the top
yeah.
of helm of one of the very renowned organization in Pune. It's a
Yeah.
great honor to have you, Mohanji.
Thank you, Shirish. Thank you.
Right. So maybe just to break the ice and get going, uh, I'm just trying to understand the whole journey that you have had, right from some books that you have published, some books that you have
Yeah,
translated
yeah, yeah,
on HR. So,
yeah.
where did it all start that you want to be in HR or HR management
Yeah.
as a skill?
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah. Actually, I will start from my graduation itself.
absolutely.
Actually, I am a science graduate. I've done my BSc in chemistry, and thereafter I've done my master's degree in personal management from Symbiosis Institute of Business Management. Fortunately, after doing my uh, personal management, I then could join Sudarshan Chemicals for few days, for other few months. Then I got a good opportunity with Voltas Limited. It's a multinational company, so I could continue with Voltas for almost 2.5 years in HR only. At that time, there was no HR as such. We used to call it as personal management or personal administration and personal management. So that way back in say 85, 88, I was with Voltas. Thereafter 88 to 97, almost for 10 years, I have associated with Kirloskar Filters Limited as a factory manager
Okay.
almost for 10 years. Looking after HR, I'm a hardcore HR person. So throughout, I am into the field of HR and administration. Thereafter, I got a good opportunity to work with ARAI, the renowned and world-class research institution in automobiles. That is the Automotive Research Association of India. It's a very premier institution. Everyone knows, those who are from the engineering background, everyone knows about, and especially those who have really a passion in the field of automobile or mechanical engineering.
Mm-hmm.
They 100% they know about the ARAI, which is situated in Pune at Kothurud. We are actually at the top of the hill, so we are at the peak of the Pune city as such. So
Wonderful.
we could see everyone from the top of the hill.
Right.
It's a Vita hill, and it's a very lovely organization. We are actually engaged into all sort of certification testing and R&D of the automobiles. Every prototype model, when the first uh, vehicle is manufactured by any organization, they have to send the prototype model to us for the certification purpose. So nobody knows which vehicle is there inside. It is, it's
Camouflage.
packed, it's camouflaged and came to ARA, and will take almost 2 3 months to certify the vehicles. Unless we certify, the vehicle cannot be launched, cannot be manufactured, cannot be
Okay.
applied on the roads. So it's a very nodal center. I am talking about ARA as such.
Mm-hmm.
But with this good experience with all these organizations, I could learn a lot of good things. There were a lot of leaders and mentors. Actually, there were CEOs, general managers, and directors of various organizations. So I could learn a lot of good things from them during my tenure with them.
Wonderful.
So that was I am really happy to be continued with HR for last 35 years. And it's a very, HR is a very sensitive and delicate, you have to handle it with care always, because if at all there is some strained relationship or disputes between employees or yourself, then it's always the hue and cry. and the situation gets so disturbed. So nobody, even CEO and other senior management is not able to bring it to the normalcy. So we have to always take care of all the employees. We have to treat them very uh, politely and gently, so that there should not be any strained relationship. And this journey is going on like this.
Wow.
About books, I got good opportunity to. I did my PhD in
Performance management.
human resource management in Pune University, and my main topic was the performance management system. So when I completed it in year 2007, one German publication approached me. They liked the topic and my study on performance management system. So they requested me to publish my PhD thesis in form of a book.
Wow.
So they since they on their own they approached me. I really gave them the consent and could publish my book. So
Wonderful.
credit goes to them also. And that book was published in Germany and then also printed in US and UK. Sorry, I'm speaking more. Perhaps you just break me whenever
I
you
think
feel.
it's a wonderful
Yeah,
achievement to see your PhD getting
mhm,
recognized not only in the form
yeah,
of a theoretical appreciation that you have,
yeah,
but
yeah,
somebody in the Western countries or European countries really valuing the kind of thought and research, trying to translate that to a wider audience in the form of a
yeah,
book and
yeah.
publishing it on their own. It's a great credit to your credentials. Wonderful.
Thank you, thank you, thank you,
Absolutely good.
Shiriji.
So now taking the
Yeah,
thread on performance management as a key parameter
yeah,
for any organization
yeah,
which
yeah,
happens to be your focus area.
yeah,
Uh,
yeah,
and I'm
yeah,
actually trying to correlate it with the current scenario that you see where challenges are huge, right? I mean, everybody is pushed to wall
yeah,
where you don't see revenues coming, pandemic situation, right? Not only the organization, but it
absolutely,
constitutes
absolutely.
and the
Yeah,
HR,
yeah,
the human resource becomes the
yeah,
most critical element. So,
absolutely.
in your
I
view,
agree.
how do you see some equations, some parameters, some formulae to changing in performance management for the
Yeah,
organization? Do you see any change or some challenge there?
yeah, yeah, absolutely. Because this outbreak of corona, it's a huge impact on the business everywhere, no doubt. ARI is also not the exception.
Hmm.
We suffered a big, we have a big impact on our business as such,
Right.
because earlier, initially 2 months, we were not allowed. Anyone is not allowed to start their activities.
True.
It was our honorable Prime Minister's order of lockdown initially for 2 months. After 1st of June, it has slightly
Eased
relaxed,
down.
and
Yeah.
we are allowed to work with 15% manpower only.
Okay.
So it's very difficult. That is the biggest challenge for us, that we could not carry out all our functions with 15%, because ours is not a typical IT or software company,
True.
so that you can work from home and do the things. You have to be on the shop floor carrying out all the testings for the certification purpose. And if at all we are not able to do the things in a right way, right manner, then certainly there will not be any revenue for us. So
Hmm.
we suffered a lot of it was a big setback for us
True.
initially, but somehow the good thing for us, because we have three locations actually. One is at in Pune and two are at Chakan. Fortunately, what happened, we were allowed to function with 15% manpower in Pune, but our Chakan, both the plants were allowed to work with the 100% manpower. So what has happened, what the challenge was converted, what biggest challenge for us to have our employees to get associated with the activities. Most of the people who are the employees of Pune were deployed to our both the Chakan plants from 5th
Okay.
of June, because and we are also having the facilities which are available in Pune as well as the Chakan. So these people who were deployed there can also start can do their work there also, so that our income started generated. Uh,
Right.
generating our income was the main issue, and we could make it. So that was a good point. The challenge was turned into with the thoda hatke, we could make that change, sort of change in the technology and change in the some sort of we could utilize that aspect. Then we also during this pandemic we had to see the importance of the employees' health, safety, and hygiene.
Okay.
So we could certainly concentrate more on all these activities with the help of various, now every organization is doing. When we have started working during this pandemic, all these temperature
Measurement.
guns, then your oximeters, then sanitizers. So all such type of activities, considering the health aspect of the employees, we are looking into. We are also helping them if at all they are really suffering from corona, then the quarantine period and everything we are seeing it appropriately, as well as if at all someone is working in the organization and unfortunately suffering from corona, then all that lab is immediately we are sanitizing that lab. We are keeping that lab 3 to 4 days closed so that there should not be any such type of spread of those coronaviruses.
Superb.
Yeah,
I think it's a lot that HR and admin has to do
yeah,
as the
yeah,
way that such a big
yeah,
organization has to be
yeah.
managed
Yeah,
very
yeah.
effectively,
So
right?
actually, we are having almost 1,000 employees with us, and we have all state-of-the-art facilities we are having. And because of this pandemic, we are really facing a lot of uncertainty and risk. That is, always said uncertainty is the unmeasurable risk, and risk is the measurable uncertainties. So we are going through that phase a lot. Many times there are many challenges because the competitors are having their vehicles tested and certified at the earliest many times, and we are not able to because we are not given the permission to function our to do functioning at our premises. So many times it has happened. Those competitors have been dragged by our. Those customers have been dragged by our competitors, and we are also suffering some losses because of that. We will certainly come back after some days, but at present we are facing the problem.
Right. I think long run definitely things will settle, but
Yeah, yeah,
currently there
yeah.
will be
At
some
present we are facing this.
push
Yeah,
and
yeah,
pull.
yeah,
Now talking further about dimensions of performance. Uh,
yeah, yeah, yeah,
And,
yeah,
and as such, ARI is responsible for measuring performance of
yeah,
vehicles, right? New
yeah.
vehicles
That's
as they
new
are
vehicle. Yeah,
getting manufactured. First time they will come,
yeah,
certify,
yeah,
do that
yeah.
homologation process, and
Homologation
get
process.
it
Yeah,
rolling,
testing of components as well as of the testing of vehicle, both.
right?
So,
So
automobile components as
you see that even in human resources. Now I'm bringing it back
well.
that
Yeah, yeah,
perspective, human resources.
yeah, yeah,
Do you
yeah.
have in a kind of a process where you keep on improving their performance by certifications or some kind of benchmark getting set for those individuals in the organization
No, actually, we are having a PMS system in our. It is in place.
in
We
place,
are certainly the goals are set at the initial stage of the year,
quarter
your
to quarter?
financial year, and
Mhm.
quarter to quarter. We are having half yearly review process also of the performances. Unfortunately, what happened this year, since it has started in the month of April itself,
Mhm.
we were not able to collect the goals set by the departments as well as by the uh, employees down the line. So that's the problem at this stage. But of course, now the activity is slightly at a later stage. It has now being started, and we are certainly concentrating on the performances because most of the people are working from the home. Wherever possible, they are working from the home. So unless they come to the offices and do the even if the PMS is on online, but they are not able to practically write down all the
Goals.
goals which they have set initially and they are achieving those. So that's the difficulty at present we are facing. But I think in another 1 or 2 months, it will be easily carried out. There will
Yeah,
not be any procedural
I
aspect.
think it is very natural where you see if any business owner is asked, like, what is the target for this year, for example, the current
yeah,
running year,
yeah,
it is not
yeah.
possible to guesstimate it. It is almost like 6 months of this year is already gone. 2 quarters are gone.
So
So
yeah,
it is
yeah,
difficult to set those goals. I believe that is the reason
yeah,
that
yeah,
even
yeah,
the
yeah.
leadership
That
is either intelligently not
that's
putting the goals,
correct.
or it is not able to get
Yeah,
into the space.
because it's beyond everyone's control. In fact, because this is the, you can say this can be treated as a natural calamity. Practically, if at all you are not able to bring the orders to the organization or the company and carry out there would not be any cascading effect as such, so that I will not be able to set my goals because there are no departmental goals as such.
Mm.
So it will take time. I mean, it's not that we will not do it. We will try to have more and more income during this year also. So, but it has been it is prolonged for some
Right,
period now,
right.
unfortunately, because of the conditions.
Look, looking back this 35 years that you have spent in HRM, uh, एखादा
Yeah.
highest point, something that तुम्ही राष्ट्रीय
Huh.
गौरव पुरस्कार, then Glory of India Award,
Huh.
I think, and you have written
Yeah. Yeah.
a
Yeah.
book. You have translated some books back from English to Marathi. मराठीतनं काही तुम्ही ट्रान्सलेट केले. तर
That's right.
मागं वळून बघता असं काही जाणवतं का की हा हाय पॉइंट आहे, की हे माझ्या डेफिनेटली लक्षात राहतं, किंवा हे अचीव्ह झालंय माझं, असं काही वाटतं का?
Yeah, that's true. एक तर मी 35 years HR मध्ये I could really there is one more good advantage. I am a hardcore sportsman that I just wanted to highlight here. I have represented Pune University, Maharashtra State, Pune district in school nationals and table tennis. So that is more advantageous for me to really to work with our employees throughout the years. I am having very, it's a formal friendship. I will not say informal friendship, but that was a formal friendship with all my colleagues in the organization. So that is always beneficial. That is always it gives good results. I mean, you can have a very harmonious and cordial relationship with one and all, and that helps you to run the organization very swiftly and smoothly. When everything is going smoothly, there are no problems. But in case of this natural calamity or this pandemic, all are very close to me. We are going to the offices. We are trying to cope up. There is now the concept is now of copability. The capability is altogether different. If at all you have the capability to cope up with the present situations and the difficult situations. So this, I have to tell you the 5 C's we come across during this period.
Yes,
One
yes.
is the challenges. I told about a lot of challenges. We were not able to function with all our employees and to have our business. So that was the biggest challenge. We have a challenge to take care of the employees' health, hygiene, and safety. That was also the biggest challenge. We have to even people were not allowed to leave their residence and attend the office without e-passes initially. So that from administration point of view, you have
Was a
to
challenge.
organize for their e-passes also. That was the biggest challenge. Then we had to have a lot of changes. We had a change in our shift timings. Then regular number of employees who were we deployed some employees from Pune to our Chakan plants.
Okay.
We had no canteen facility available, so we provided. I mean, all these administrative aspects also we have to take into consideration. So we have to give them the packed food, all these things. Then we have to have all universal precautions to be followed, like this. I told you temperature. I mean, all these things are required to be followed. Then the competition I told you, third C, one C is challenge, another C is change, third C is competition. We suffered such setbacks. We are knowing that some customers approach to our competitors. There are 3-4 competitors for us in India. So since we are close, unfortunately they have also their business goals. So they have to go back to some other party. Then creative ideas we had because of this, work from home concept. We were not knowing about work from home concept any time. We were only knowing about the work from home in case of ITs and software.
True.
Like you people, you are aware of work from home activities, but we were not knowing. So technologically, we all are. We could cope up with the situation and try to. We were not experts initially with the Zoom and webinars and WebEx and all this. So this is very new to all of us from ARI employees as
True.
such. But we could now get gel with such type of activities. All this sort of technology, hatke technology, we could our employees could slowly, gradually could grasp it. Then I told you about the deployment. So various trainings were organized through webinars and Zoom and Teams
Right.
apps. So such type of things technologically also we could.
So
And the
it's
fifth
uh,
is capability. I told you about that.
capability.
Yeah, yeah,
It's amazing to
yes,
see this kind of a different interpretation of 5 Cs,
yeah,
covering changes, challenges,
yeah.
creativity, dimension of
Creativity,
capability. A new term.
capability.
I would call
Yeah,
it
yeah,
as a new, as we are reaching the new normal.
yeah, yeah.
Capability
So
will be
new number. That's right.
one of the
Very
dimensions.
essential. Yeah, yeah, very essential dimension, and one has to grab it. Otherwise, you are not able to do the things as per your own wish and goals as such.
Right.
Yeah, yeah.
And I think another point that I heard is about sportsman spirit. Being a sportsman
Ah,
and also being having a sportsman's attitude.
yeah.
As such, we have
Ah, yeah, yeah.
we
It
have
is
been
very essential. It is very essential. Sportsman's, I mean, that behavior and sportive nature is so important, and it really helps you in your day-to-day activities. It is very helpful during your, personal as well as your during your professional career as such. Because nowadays we are seeing people are away from the fresh air as well as sunlight, and unfortunately they are always with their mobile.
open for aspects of changes. I think it covers most of the C's that you covered. I think
Yeah,
next
yeah,
then would be where that sportsman spirit, fighting spirit,
yeah, yeah,
is
yeah,
important.
yeah. Killing instincts. You should have a killing instincts,
So it
which is really
brings me
essential in
right.
sports.
ब्रिंग्स मी टू अनदर क्वेश्चन. म्हणजे हा माझ्या डोक्यात प्रश्न आला की टेबल टेनिसमध्ये कसा एक प्रत्येक बॉल आलेला हा नवीन बॉल असतो. तो उसळून येत असतो, खाली जात असतो, टॉप स्पिन असतो, चॉप्स असतो. तर तुम्हाला असं वाटतं का की
Oh, very true.
whenever now this performance management has to be applied to individual, the individual also has to be ready for
Yeah.
all the new situations like a ball coming on your way.
Correct, absolutely. I mean, it's a very good point you have raised here. It's certainly there are a lot of difficulties and problems everyone is facing in their day-to-day life as far as their performance is concerned.
Mm.
So everyone has to cope up with all those such type of activities. There are software difficulties, there are technology problems. They have to undergo various trainings to
True.
upgrade their skills or enhance their skills. There should be a lot of programs they have to attend. So always the dissemination of knowledge through various trainings, and they can get the good training is imparted to them. So that is very essential. And so what you have rightly said, there is always a different type. Dusra एक असतोच तो चेंडू, and you have to ready to face it, because it's not like that the ball is coming very slowly and without any cut or spin. So
Right.
you should be able to see the speed and spin behind the ball, and try to play it very smoothly and softly. So that technique is also, it's a part of the management only. Even if you're on the table of table tennis, you have to play the management games there also,
Right.
by practically physically playing. Yeah.
Right. I think it is
Yeah.
mind game, as you are saying.
So that is, yeah. Yes,
Basically, it's a
yes.
mind game where you see the
So
ball.
if at all, I just wanted to tell you,
Yeah.
if at all you are doing some, you are attending uh, playground and going to gyms and
Right.
keep your physique fit, naturally your mental health is also going to be a very good aspect. If at all mental health is good, then only you are able to, in, those who plays sports, they are always having, many sportsmen do better academically, because in sports they require memorization and repetition, repetition and learning skill sets, which you have to continuously go on learning those things. I will give you one good example,
Yeah.
because since you are also from College of Engineering Pune,
Uh-huh.
you must be knowing perhaps one, Nitin Paranspe. Have you heard the name
Yes,
Nitin
yes.
Paranspe?
I know he was in KSB
He is
Pumps.
alumni of College of
I
Engineering
know.
Pune. He has also done his mechanical engineering. Maybe no, 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 no. Nitin Paranspe is presently, he is the CMD, Chairman and Managing Director of Unilever. He
Right.
sits in UK.
Wonderful.
He's a so brilliant person and very best table tennis player.
Uh-huh.
So I know I am sure that table tennis has certainly helped him, or any sports I mean to say, helps certainly you to have the better mental health. You are always, because of this memorization and repetitions and different skill sets you have to adopt and implement. Naturally, you get academically also very strong. It sports also always boost your self esteem. That is also the very good plus point of sports. It always boosts your self esteem. You because of that sports you have a lasting social relations.
Right.
Even if I stop playing table tennis, I'm having a lot of people knowing me because of my table tennis, and that relationship continues. I mean, any sport. I'm not only saying table tennis. So that is also the advantage, and because of the sporting behavior and nature, you are always, it always comes into your blood actually.
Mm.
Since you are a core sportsman, it can, even if you are at work, you don't have that type of ego, which is the, that is one of the layers of our existence.
Right.
Seven out of seven layers, one layer is ego, and that is attitude. Nowadays it is said attitude, people take attitudes meaning differently. It's not like that,
Yeah.
but it's a ego, अहंकार आपण
Right.
म्हणतो तो स्पोर्ट्समन लोकांना खूप कमी असतो. I always talk with any level of people in my organization very friendly. Of
Uh-huh.
course, keeping certain relations. I mean, level. I mean, some
Distance.
level I can see.
Right.
But I always distance. I am always very free to everyone, and it always helps to have a better networking, good bonding, and naturally you have a very cohesive sort of bonding with them. So they are ready. There are various, actually, there are various platforms, that is, social responsibility. I am chairman of our CSR
CSR. Right.
activity as such. Then
Wonderful.
I am in also our cultural group. So naturally, all these people, even if they are of lower
Hierarchy.
hierarchies, they are good friends of mine. They always support me in all sort of activities. Also, even if any decision at a management level, at a senior level, we have to take, their support is required, and they always come forward because of good relationship, good networking with them, because they know the nature of the person, so they are confident that he is not going to, certainly, he's not going to cheat us. uh,
Right. I
they
think
know me very well. That is the advantage of sports.
right. So there is an element that I'm seeing. It is reflecting in the
Yeah,
happiness on your face also. Uh, the
yeah,
uh,
true.
the kind of positivity that we get out of sports by playing
Yeah,
sports,
yeah,
by being
yeah,
associated with individuals, by knowing more
right,
about others. I think even the
correct.
HATKE as acronym is standing for
Yeah,
health. A for attitude. I think you
yeah,
mentioned
yeah,
about
yeah,
attitude, positive attitude, and
yeah, yeah, attitude. Yeah,
sports-based attitude
yeah,
where you don't have that ego. T for
correct.
technology,
Ego is,
technology that you are using. K for knowledge,
yeah,
as I think you said it, and
yeah,
engagement the way
yeah,
that you are having across all the hierarchy. I think that shows a great example in
yeah,
you,
yeah,
Monu.
yeah. Thank you, thank you. And it is always, because of sports, you are certainly going to improve your managerial skills. That is 100%. Because since you have a positive attitude, you can, your result orientation you can achieve it very easily and effectively. That is always beneficial for us.
I think I would urge you to eventually. I would expect, and you would definitely think about writing a book of correlation between sports, ability in sports translated into performance management,
Yeah,
into HR. I think that
yeah,
would
yeah.
be great.
I will certainly give a try to this. Thanks. I will certainly take this as a goal and do this.
Which
Thanks
brings
a
me,
lot for good suggestion.
right,
Yeah,
that gets me to another tenet which is very important, is recreation, or fun part of it. And I believe you are definitely interested in music. I think you sing well, yeah,
yeah.
and
Yeah,
learning
yeah,
any musical
absolutely.
instrument, right?
Yeah. Certainly, music is such a beautiful, it's a so decent and wonderful stream or field, which really keeps you away from the stress. You just, it's a always you can have a very stress free life.
Mm.
There are a lot of stresses to everyone in your professional as well as your personal day to day life, but music is a such a aspect which always removes all the stresses you have, and you are absolutely blissful and stress free because of this music.
So,
Music and sports both, but music is more beneficial for the such type of situation. And I love to listen to various cine music,
mm,
like your Rafi Saab, Kishore Kumar. All these are the gods. They are simply gods. I consider them as idols of mine. And they are simply great. And they have met. त्यांनी एवढं सगळं अजरामर करून ठेवलंय ना,
ठेवलंय.
की ते आपल्याला लाईफ लॉंग अनेक वर्ष, इवन इफ दे आर नॉट हिअर, their names will always be there, and
क्या
we
बात
will
है,
cherish their memories through their music. Yeah,
क्या बात है.
certainly. It
नाही,
it helps you a lot.
and I think it is an enriching experience. मोहनजी, तुम्ही स्वतः जेव्हा
Yeah,
गात असता
yeah.
तेव्हा एक वेगळा अनुभव तुम्हाला पण
Yeah.
जाणवत असेल त्याच्यामध्ये, राईट?
हो, certainly. Yeah.
एक्सलंट, एक्सलंट.
Yeah, always. तो एक अनुभव वेगळाच असतो. तुम्हाला खूप म्हणजे आपण गात असतो तेव्हा तर तुम्ही, मी म्हंटल तसं सगळे.
राईट, प्लीज गो हेड.
हॅलो.
हा, बोला. तर गाण्याचा अनुभवाबद्दल आपण बोलत होतो. तर गाणं जेव्हा तुम्ही गात असता तेव्हा एक
Yeah.
वेगळा छान
नाही
अनुभव असतो.
तुम्ही when you yourself playing some. हो. Yeah. Oh, no, I am certainly an amateur singer. I'm not expert. I'm not a professional, but I love to sing the songs from Hindi films. So I try to enjoy myself and maybe entertain others who are not that experts. Because if my music heard by someone, they may not, and they are really professionals, they may find mistakes in me. But actually, for our own enjoyment and entertainment, it is always a good exercise. And I love singing it. You forget everything. You have to really do lot of learnings from it. It's not like that you know the song and you start the singing the song. So you have to see all the pauses, all the music pieces where you have to stop. So these are all the techniques you have to adopt in your singing. So that is the important aspect.
So wonderful, great to see that part of your personality. And you know what? I'm seeing that smile, the positive smile that is on your face,
No.
which is definitely a
Yeah.
combination of all these elements that you got around you.
Thank you, Shirish.
सो जस्ट अ क्वेश्चन, की तुमचा कोणी रोल मॉडेल असा आहे का कुठल्या स्पेसमध्ये, गेम्समध्ये किंवा स्पोर्ट्समध्ये
Yeah.
किंवा
Sports मध्ये I love Kamlesh Mehta, who is
Okay.
our table tennis champion. He was national champion for 8 times.
Right.
He's a very decent personality and a very nice TT player and very lovely human being.
Mm.
You know, I always, in my professional career also, I always see that, I don't treat it as a human resource as such, but I always see as a human relation. Everyone has to see a person from human point of view and not as a employee as such, so that you can certainly have a good bonding and understanding and networking with each other. So that's the point. And I was talking about Kamlesh Mehta is the same, such a personality that you always can learn a lot of good things from him. So he is the role model as far as table tennis is concerned. Then Jeff Kaler, he's a motivational speaker. Attitude is everything. Is his institute as well as his book named as Attitude is amazing book. I mean, it's too good. He has written what lovely things. How you have to really come up with a lot of difficulties and how to achieve your goals with a positive attitude. He has given a very good information and knowledge to us through the book. So he is also one of the role models of mine.
So,
Yeah.
I think it is great to know a humble personality like you, having done so much and still taking up challenges, getting ready for doing something different, hatke.
Thank you. Thank you, Shiv.
And for those 5
Thank you.
C's
Thank you so
definitely
much.
map to the newer
Yeah.
dimensions of getting to new normal as we see in
Yeah.
pandemic.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
It
Yeah.
was wonderful to talk to you, Mohanji.
Thank you, Shirishji. I'm really also grateful and thankful to you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to at least share my views and experiences to you, and maybe then communicate it to others.
Absolutely. So great.
Thank you so much. I'm really grateful to you.
Thank
Yeah.
you, and we wish you great success as we see for your professional career, personal dimensions of either the sports or music. We would definitely like to see you singing
Thank you.
absolutely professionally, and want to also see you
Uh,
doing better
yeah.
in table tennis.
I think, Shirishji, that is possible. I have another 1.5 years to get retired. So perhaps my more concentration will be on singing, and what you have rightly wished good for me, that can happen perhaps maybe after 1.5 years or maybe 2 years. Thank you so much for, you have given very good two suggestions to me. One is the book on sports and managerial skills, how they are complementary to each other. I can certainly give a try to write that book in near future, as well as singing. You have rightly given me a good suggestion on that. So
Right. You know what?
really grateful to you. Yeah.
It's a learning journey for me also. It's all
Yeah.
personalities that I
Yeah.
try to
Yeah.
basically
We are always in a learning phase.
So
That's true.
thanks you
Yeah.
so much for your time, and it was
Yeah.
a great pleasure, and I think everybody will definitely look forward in your
Yeah.
personality and
Yeah.
whatever career graph that you have to take
Yeah.
the tenets of positivity back in their
Yeah.
own lives. Thank you so much.
Yeah. Thank you so much. Grateful to you. Thank you. Thank you.
बिजनेस कोई भी हो, सक्सेस की नींव हम रखते हैं।
बुलंदियों को छूने की आपके अरमानों की उम्मीद जगाती जोत है, हर सपनों का हम स्रोत है।
सही स्ट्रेटेजी, परफेक्ट डिसीजन मेकिंग और बिजनेस ग्रोथ के लिए हम आपके साथ कंधे से कंधा मिलाकर आपकी स्वप्न पूर्ति करते हैं। स्त्रोत कंसल्टेक, सिनर्जाइजिंग ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन।